Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a face again. I am not sick. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Today we're doing bee nails, like honeybee. So that's what we're gonna do. As per the usual, first we do a base coat. Today we're doing Orly Bonder. So we are going to go in with a base color of China Glaze in the shade Holy Sugar. This is from their recent like candy collection, sweets collection, something like that for the spring of 2023. So I think it's cute. Time to go in with our second coat. Alright, those have had a moment to dry a little, but we are going to go in with China Glaze Fast Forward top coat for quick drying. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Kiara Sky in the shade Gold Digger, and I'm going to try and make like honey drips. Not good at drips, but I was thinking maybe I could dabble some on there and let it run if I put it thick enough. So that's what I'm gonna attempt, at least on one nail, and we'll see how it goes. And then if that's terrible, we will draw them on. It's not working great, but it's not horrible either. It's almost like it works better in reverse. Get the blob going and then drag it up, and then we can always fill in around the edge. Put another one lower down. This is really hard to hold my hand like this. I hope it's not too blurry. Alright, so that's what we'll do for that. And then I'll go and color it in by hand, but I think we're gonna leave that as the only nail with that kind of honey drip because that was actually really hard. Okay, I have a little brush here that we're gonna try and connect these top bits. I hope that doesn't look ridiculous. It's kind of hard for me to see at the angles I'm working. So I kind of messed this blob up here, so I just kind of ran it down a little bit, changed the way it was dripping. Hope it's all right. I think it'll do, but let's go in and do some decorations. I've got these really cute bee themed stickers. So I think this nail would actually be the perfect place to put this little word, sweet. Try and get that on there without messing up my drips because they're going to be drying a while. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. And then I've got this sticker I think would look really good over here on the pinky. It's got a little buzz trail. Very adorable. That's perfect. I want to do some honeycomb patches over here. That's nice. I like that. Over here on this big old thumb, let's put this big bee. He's really cute. And then I've got some cute little flowers to add. And then I was saving this nail. We're gonna put a charm on here. To stick our charm on, we're gonna use 4 Rhinestones Only by China Glaze. I use this with a lot of my rhinestones and charms. I'm sure you've seen it. It's a top coat type product, so it does have to air dry, but it holds really well. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry down a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with that little brush I was using earlier and like just reinforce the edges with some of this stuff, but I'll probably do that off camera. So I actually, while I was off camera reinforcing, went in and put some more honey drips around this bee. I thought the nail was too plain on its own and it needed something, so that's what I decided would be the best thing to do. Now, I am going to have to wait a long time before I seal all of this in with top coat, because it has to be really, really dry or it's gonna smear. And these drips are extra thick. So you're not gonna see me put top coat on in this video, which sometimes you don't, but I'm going to, and probably 2 layers, just to make sure that when it dries, because it gets thin, that there's enough of it left to keep everything kind of laminated in. But I will definitely get you some outside photos as per the usual. Definitely let me know what you think of these nails. I think they are super cute. They were super easy. I was so excited to get to use this charm. I absolutely love it. It's adorable. And this is perfect for the spring season. My other hand does not have quite the cute decorations, but that's okay. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments. Thank you definitely for subscribing. You want to make sure that you are here for any upcoming videos and giveaways. And if you want to check out my Etsy store, it is linked down below. I am selling press-ons sometimes, and if you have anything you would like to see in that store, let me know, and I would definitely be into making that for you. So that is it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.